Welcome to our channel. Discover how to verify your Wix e-commerce account quickly and easily to start selling online today. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the entire process of verifying your Wix e-commerce account step by step, so you can confidently launch your online store without any hassles. First, you need to log into your Wix account and access the dashboard of your online store. Once there, look for the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon, and click on it. In the Settings panel, locate the Business Info or Account Verification section. This is where Wix requires you to submit certain documents and information to confirm your identity and business legitimacy. The most common verification requirements include uploading a government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and providing your business tax information or any official business registration documents. After you upload the necessary documents, make sure to fill out all requested details accurately, such as your full name, business address, phone number, and email, especially as it appears on official records. Next, review all entered information carefully before submitting to avoid delays or rejections in the verification process. Once you submit your verification request, Wix will typically take a few days to process and review the documents. During this period, make sure to check your email regularly for any requests from Wix support for additional documentation or clarifications. If everything is in order, you will receive a confirmation notification that your account has been successfully verified. This verification is essential because it enables you to accept payments securely, set up your e-commerce store features, and build trust with your customers. Following these steps diligently helps avoid common pitfalls such as mismatched information or incorrect document formats. Remember, keeping your documents ready and information accurate speeds up the approval process and gets your store running faster. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to support us and get notified about more helpful tutorials and tips.